What's up, motherfuckers? Real quick ride and review. I keep seeing these. I keep seeing this taco truck every time my wife and I go over to Target by us or Grand Street Pizza, and I didn't think anything of it, but I just saw it on Google Maps and I was looking for tacos near me. It's got really, really good reviews. So, whoa, what the f is going on over there? A basketball tournament or something. So, yeah, I'm just ripping over there and I'm gonna get some tacos and bring them home and eat the f***ing shit out of them. That's it. I'm on Grand Street. This place is on Grand in like Suffolk. It's a straight shot. It's a 3-minute bike ride at most. So my review will come, you know, after I get home, obviously, and eat them. I'm not gonna ride around and talk about the tacos. I got the Chimera out. I've got the 36-volt battery on at max settings. I'm ripping across. This feels awesome. I love it. I love this battery because I can rip this power and I can do this for 20 miles, throttle all throttle only, I should say. Merge in here. This guy's right here on the right. Let's see, where is he? Oh man, is he not here today? I don't see him. I don't know where he went. Damn. No dice. Gotta come back another time. There is another taco spot. I don't have my locks on me though. I'm gonna have to head back. Oh well, it was worth a shot. What's this park about? Let me go through here. It'd be annoying. It's a failed food mission, so we might as well make something out of it. This is Seward Park. It would not surprise me if some folks called it Sewer Park. Skills. Whoa, there's another basketball thing going on over here. Is it volleyball? Volleyball? There's some crazy stuff going on at these parks. Those guys got very excited. Oh, it's a volleyball tournament. That's what's going on. And that's what's going on at the other... Wow. That's what's going on at the other park by me, too. Check this out. What the heck? This one doesn't seem as official as the other one over there where everyone's roaring and cheering. This must be like the scrub courts. Let me go to the other court. Alright, volleyball tournament. There's a taco spot right over here, so. Oh yeah, and there's a dive bar I want to try. Clockwork. I see it. I don't know. Taco recipes I have not had. Alright, let me try that one. There's another one right on the corner that I just went to with the guys from the Zoos Club, which is good. But I might want to try something new. Yeah, and it looks like I can just wheel the bike in there and not have it be an issue. All right. So this is the place we went to last week, which I'm going to do a ride and review for. I haven't posted it yet. And then right here is taco recipes. You can shut the bike off and wheel it in. Hey, how are you? Could I get to go chicken burrito? Chicken burrito. Shrimp taco, a chicken taco. That's it.
Okay,
to go.
21.85.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day. All right, here we go. Hopefully the bike is not busted. There's volleyball people everywhere around here. It's crazy. Who the hell knew, right? All right, so I ordered a burrito, chicken burrito, chicken taco, shrimp taco. I didn't see anything cool like carnitas or, you know, I don't know, al pastor or anything like that. It was all sort of basic. I have a feeling it's not going to be as good as some of the other spots around here. Ramirez, and then that other Cabron place that I went to with the Zoos Club guys last week. So we'll see. I mean, I'm always up for a good budget-friendly taco place. Riding home. Sun is starting to set. It's getting a little cloudy. This guy has his flashers on like a complete asshole. I'm excited to eat this stuff. Hungry. Today I rode with Mike Hale. We went from 6 Point all the way up to 123 Burger Shop Beer on 125th and the West Side Highway. It was a fun ride. Then we rode across 125th to the east side into East Harlem and all the way down 2nd Avenue. We went 60 blocks, 60 blocks in a full-on green wave. I had never been on one that long. It was crazy. See, there's more volleyball over here. Look. Look at this. More volleyball. Yeah, see? They got 3 different games going on here. I guess it's a big tournament. So yeah, we went burning down 2nd Avenue. Huge green wave. At least 60 streets, and then we finished off at Pier 17 at Cobblefish, great spot on the pier. All right, and I'm home. Oh, bumps. All right, I'll see you on the inside. All right, so check these out. These are like gringo tacos with the lettuce and tomato. I love it. I love it. I love it. That's the chicken. This is the shrimp. And then this is the burrito here. It looks nice. I'm ready to dig in. They gave me some, looks like sour cream and salsa. Here we go. I got that green dragon sauce from Trader Joe's, which is good. Nice little spicy sauce. Try that. Try some of this salsa. So it's chicken first. It's good. I've had some places like this before. It's usually like taco spots or Mexican spots run by Chinese families, and they're really good and they're really cheap. And I haven't seen one in years. The last one I saw was near a hospital on 2nd Avenue where the cake dealer was having surgery. And prior to that, I hadn't seen one since like Tribeca on Church Street. It was called, what was the name of that one? It was called Taco House or something? Was it Taco House? Anyway, it was really good. It was like $2, $3. You get full on $10. It was awesome. Anyway, I'm glad to see there's one down here by me. Let's try the shrimp one. A little less filling in the shrimp one. More expensive protein. That's good. Now we gotta try the burrito. I like that they pressed it. They got the grill marks on the sides, flattened. Proper. Rice, beans, tomato, onion. Good stuff. Chicken. I got the chicken. I didn't want to try the steak. Steak sometimes is chewy. Yeah, that's good. $10 burrito. It's great. Can't beat it. I like this place. I'll be back. Taco recipes. Make sure you check out the website, johnnyprimesteaks.com. The full review, the full write-up. No pictures because I didn't take any. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family, and tell your fucking grandma.